Folks, what's up? You're about to witness something marvelous. And I am the Chief Operating Officer of this here fine company. And every now and then I come on the delivery trail and we deliver to our customers, families and friends, right? And I just come here to say hi, how you doing, how you like the service. But I also come to give. You know Jamaicans go already. When they come over here, bring something. So we also bring stuff for our customers. So, you know what, we're going to give this customer an opportunity to win a free shipping coupon. Alright? So stay tuned and check it out. Hey guys, what's up? So Fabian is here. Fabian, say hi.
Hello.
Fabian dealing with Andre's package. Say hi to Andre from the folks. Andre, say hi to the folks.
Hi.
Alright, so as I said guys, we are here. And remember, when we come, we don't just come empty-handed. We come to give you something. So we're going to give Andre the opportunity to win a free shipping coupon. You hear that? Alright, cool. So here we are going. Andre, I'm going to describe something to you. And you tell me what the name of the thing is. Alright? When you get that answer right, we are going to select one of these envelopes. Right? One of them have a price, one of them do not have a price. Alright? So we have this feature or this promotion going on now where if you recommend one family member or one person to sign up with us, we're going to give you 3 free coupons. And we're going to give the person who signs up a free coupon. That sound good? Alright, good. Do you know the name of that promotion?
I think it was March Madness.
Alright. You hear that guys? Andre got it right. March Madness. Alright Andre, you passed the first stage. Second stage, you're going to select from one of these envelopes. Which one you want? And I'm going to tell you if the prize is inside it. Alright, so tell me, which one you want? This?
This one.
Alright, so guys, Andre selected this one. I don't know if the prize is now. Let us see. Oh man, Andre, I am happy to tell you that you win a free shipping coupon. Show them it for me, Andre. Alright, so Andre did well. He won himself a free shipping coupon. Guys, listen. There's a link somewhere here. I don't know where the link is. Click on the link. Make sure that you join the family. So who knows, you can win a free shipping coupon too. Alright, Andre, tell them bye-bye for me now.
Bye.
Alright.
Thanks.
Alright, guys. Catch you later.